Introduction to cryptocurrency mining.
The cryptocurrency mining is the process that creates new digital coins and validates transactions on decentralized networks like Bitcoin. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. By finding solutions, they help secure the system and are rewarded with newly minted coins. This behind-the-scenes operation is essential for keeping cryptocurrencies running smoothly and ensuring the integrity of their networks.
Understanding blockchain and proof of work.
Blockchain is the foundational technology behind most cryptocurrencies. It's a digital ledger that records transactions in blocks, forming an unbreakable chain. The proof of work system requires miners to compete in solving puzzles that confirm transactions. Only the first to solve the puzzle can add a new block to the chain, which is how the system maintains security and trust without a central authority.
The mining process, step by step.
First, miners gather unconfirmed transactions from the network. They group these into a candidate block and begin working on a difficult mathematical puzzle linked to this block. Their computers try countless combinations to find a solution. When a miner succeeds, their block is added to the blockchain, and they receive a reward in cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin.
Why specialized hardware is needed?
Early cryptocurrency mining could be done on regular computers, but growing competition led to the use of specialized hardware called ASICs, or powerful graphics cards. These devices are much faster at solving mining puzzles and operate around the clock. This specialized equipment uses significant electricity, prompting miners to seek energy-efficient solutions and sometimes to join forces in mining pools.
Environmental impact and future developments.
Mining requires a lot of energy, raising concerns about its environmental impact. Some cryptocurrencies are exploring more sustainable methods, like proof of stake, to reduce electricity consumption. The search for greener solutions is shaping the future of cryptocurrency mining, aiming for a balance between security, decentralization, and sustainability.